In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Victoria Plum discount codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and we jump right into it. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and search for Victoria Plum discount code. So right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different sites. If you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see Victoria Plum discount code right here on voucher codes. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes and deals for this website. So for example, if you want to use this one with 20% off, all you have to do is select the option get sale right here. And as you can see, there is no code required. Basically, if you select this option, continue to Victoria Plum, the discount will be added automatically. Also, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find any other websites such as my voucher codes. And if you go to this one right here, as you can see, there are plenty of other different type of promo codes and deals. And for example, if you want to get this one with 10% off, all you have to do is select get code right here. And this is your discount code. And if you apply this one on your checkout, when you make the purchase, you should be able to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.